If you're curious about how blockchain actually works, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to crypto or just trying to make sense of all the buzzwords, don't worry. We're keeping it simple, visual, and beginner-friendly. Brain light bulb.
Let's be real. Everyone's talking about blockchain. Governments, banks, tech companies, even your friend who just started mining crypto in his garage, faced with tears of joy. But what is blockchain really? Is it just a fancy spreadsheet? A magical cloud? Or the future of the internet? Grab a coffee and stay with me. Because in this video, I'm going to break down how blockchain works in the simplest way possible. No tech jargon, no confusing math, just real talk. Let's go. What is a blockchain really? Let's start with the basics. A blockchain is a digital ledger, like a giant notebook, that records transactions or data in blocks. Package. Each block holds a bunch of info like who sent what, to whom, and when. Once that block is full, it's locked in place and linked to the next one, and the next one, forming a chain of blocks. That's right, a blockchain. Blocks, hashes, and security. But how do we keep those blocks secure? With something called a hash, a unique digital fingerprint. Each block has its own hash. If someone tries to change just one detail, the hash changes, and the whole chain breaks. Crossmark. That's how blockchain keeps data safe. It's tamper-proof by design. Decentralization, no middleman. Now here's the real magic. No single person or company controls the blockchain. Instead of sitting on one server, it lives across thousands of computers around the world. This is called decentralization. Globe showing Europe, Africa. If one copy gets hacked or fails, the others keep working. That's why blockchains are trustless. You don't need to trust a person or a bank. You trust the code. How transactions are verified. Let's say you send crypto to a friend. How does the blockchain know it's real? Keycap 1, you send the transaction. Keycap 2, it gets shared with the network. Keycap 3, special users, called miners or validators, check that it's legit. Keycap 4, if approved, it's added to the blockchain. No bank, no middleman, just computers verifying with math, abacus, white heavy checkmark. Real-world uses of blockchain. Blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin. Here's where it's already being used. Money with wings, sending money crypto. Package supply chains, track products globally. Scroll smart contracts, auto-run deals. Hospital medical records, secure plus private. Artist palette, NFTs, and ownership of digital content. It's like a new internet for value, not just information. Misconceptions and limitations. Blockchain isn't perfect. Exclamation mark, it's not 100% anonymous. Exclamation mark, it can be slow or use lots of energy, some types. Exclamation mark, it's not fully regulated yet. Exclamation mark, and not all blockchains are created equal. Remember, it's a tool, powerful, yes, but only if used the right way. So, how does blockchain work? To wrap it up, a blockchain is a digital, decentralized, tamper-proof ledger that records and verifies transactions using cryptography and computers. No banks, no bosses, just code. It's already changing finance, tech, and even art, and we're just getting started. If you learned something new, smash that like button. Comment your favorite use case for blockchain. And don't forget to subscribe. More crypto guides are coming your way every week.